Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of our Gangtok trip. It's a sunny morning in Gangtok and we are walking towards the Mahatma Gandhi statue at the end of MG Marg in Gangtok. Today, we'll be visiting Thakurbari Temple, which is one of the newest tourist attractions in Gangtok. The place is quite near the Mahatma Gandhi statue at MG Marg and we have to take this road, which is a couple of minute walk from here. But the place has not yet been so popular among tourists as it is not fully open. So let's go and take a sneak peek inside what's going on at Thakurbari Temple in Gangtok.
Well guys, right now we are at MG Marg in Gangtok and you can see this is the end of the road. We are going towards Thakurbari Temple, which is a newly built temple. So let's see. This is MG Marg and we have taken this road. I think there is a shortcut from here. We'll try to go upstairs by the stairs. That is the Thakurbari Temple. Yeah, this is the shortcut. This is a Hindu temple built in somewhat Tibetan style. You see there is a lot of artwork in the entry gate. Because the temple is not yet open. Yeah, it's not yet open. It's locked. We cannot go inside right now, but let's ask the Purohit. ये टेंपल कब खुलता है?
ये टेंपल अभी इनॉग्रेशन नहीं हुआ है।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा।
तो इनॉग्रेशन के बाद ही होगा। अभी इलेक्शन आ गया सामने तो
इनॉग्रेशन कब है?
ये नवंबर तक लास्ट तक होगा।
ओके ओके। So you guys heard it. The temple has not yet been inaugurated, and since there is an election right now, so it will be inaugurated somewhere near the end of the year, that is November or maybe December. But from outside it's very nice. I hope the inside will be much better. We'll try to visit when it's open. Meanwhile, I'll show you what's on the outside.
The architecture of this place is quite unique and something which you don't get to see often. It's Tibetan structure on a Hindu temple. Tibetan artwork on a Hindu temple is rarely visible, so it's quite unique. So I'm hoping to see what's inside. Well, now here is something interesting. Let me show it to you. Out here you can see these engraved pictures, but these are not just some random pictures. These are pictures or depictions of Lord Vishnu in his various avatars, various forms, which he took or will take in the future to destroy evil from this universe according to Hindu mythology. So let's show you the avatars in chronological order. There are 10 avatars in all, and 9 have already appeared on earth and 1 is yet to appear. So there's the first one. There's the Matsya avatar, the form of fish, the first avatar of Lord Vishnu. There's the Kurma avatar, there's the tortoise. There's the Varaha avatar with the head of a pig or a boar. There's the Nirsingha avatar with the head of a lion and a body of a man. There's a Vaman avatar with the form of a dwarf. That's the Parsuram avatar. That's Lord Rama. That's Lord Krishna. That's Lord Buddha. Yes, Buddha is also considered as one of the avatars. And that's Lord Kalki. So Lord Kalki has not yet appeared. He is yet to come, and it's said that when Lord Kalki will come, that will be the end of the world. So these are the 10 avatars of Lord Krishna that have been depicted here at Thakurbari Temple. So this is a unique thing you find at this temple out here.
And the name Thakurbari, that is, most probably it's a Bengali name. Thakur means Lord and Bari means home, the house of the Lord. It's quite nice from here. So we'll try to visit back when it's open. It's not open yet. Some work is going on inside. So that was the tour of Thakurbari Temple. So guys, that was a video of Thakurbari Temple in Gangtok. Thakurbari as it is means the house of the Lord. And the temple has not yet been inaugurated, so we cannot see what's inside. We have to wait till it is inaugurated around the end of the year, that is after the elections in Gangtok. And we'll try to visit here once again to see what's inside. But till then, please like, comment and share our videos. I hope you enjoyed our video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.